How to upload photo on Pinterest. Let's get started. Launch your Pinterest app. Now at the bottom you're going to find a fun option. Click on the plus option given at the bottom middle. Now select the option of pin. With that your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the pictures that you want to upload. Once you have selected it, click on next. From here you are able to edit this. Once you do that, click on next. Now give a title. Likewise add description, link, pick a board. Then you can tag related topics, tag products. Clicking on the option of advanced settings, you can customize these settings. And once you are done, you can click on create. Just for that, you have uploaded a pin. So this way you can easily upload photo on Pinterest. By following the same steps, you can easily upload other photos as well. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.